Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. So friends, today we are going to prepare moong and masoor lentils the Indian way. We also call this moong and masoor ki dal. So basically this can be done three ways. So one way is that you cook the lentils in a pot and then add the tempering when they are cooked. And the other two ways are you can do in a pressure cooker, and that's what we will do today. So out of those, the first method is that you prepare the tempering and then add the lentils and water and then pressure cook it. Once they are cooked, then it is ready to be served. And the second way that we will do today is that you can add a little bit of tempering and then the lentils and water and pressure cook it, and then in the end after it is cooked we again add some more tempering to it for extra flavor. So that's the method we will do today. Okay friends, let's start. So friends, for this recipe what we will do is we will pressure cook the lentils and add some cumin seeds, and then I'll add some asafoetida powder or hing. So you can get this from any Indian store, about a teaspoon. This gives a really good flavor to the lentils. And then I will add the onions. So what I did is I thinly sliced a medium-sized onion. I did not chop it very small, but I thinly sliced it, and that way it looks pretty good in the lentils. So the onions have to actually turn golden brown. The asafoetida and the cumins are smelling awesome. Okay, so I've cooked the onions for about 4 minutes and they are kind of brown. So now I will add the grated ginger and minced garlic. I'll add about a teaspoon of ginger and maybe like 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'll mix this a little bit and then I'll add the turmeric. It's smelling amazing. So now I will add the turmeric. About a teaspoon. And then I'll also add about a teaspoon of coriander powder. I added some salt to the onions so they cook faster. Now I will add the tomatoes. So I took 2 medium-sized tomatoes. So when we pressure cook the lentils, the tomatoes also get cooked. So we don't have to cook them a lot. I have the heat on high at the moment. So I'm mashing the tomatoes a little bit. So this way they'll cook nicely. So what I did is I soaked the lentils. So I took about 60% of the pink lentils or masoor and 40% of the yellow or the moong dhuli. So, and these lentils are very easy to digest, and they are considered very light, and they're good if someone is sick at home. It's a good meal for them. Just give them lentils and maybe some bread or some boiled rice. But otherwise also, and then in that case you obviously don't put too much oil in it. But then otherwise also, when cooked like a Indian dal, it tastes good, like we are going to do today. So we'll add some extra tempering in the end. So what I did is I washed them and soaked them for about an hour, so they will cook faster. So what we'll do is we'll put them in the pressure cooker, and when pressure builds, we will just turn off the heat and then let the steam come out naturally, and when we'll open the pressure cooker, they will be cooked. These lentils, they don't even take too much time to cook. Okay, so now I'll add the lentils. So I had soaked them, so I'm going to add them. And for water, you want to put just enough water so that we can pressure cook them and there's no shortage of water, and then we can always add more water in the end. Okay, so now I will go ahead and close the lid and pressure cook them. I'll give them a quick mix and then pressure cook these. And then we'll add the tempering later. Okay friends, so the lentils are pressure cooked now. So we can eat them like this. It is ready to be served, but we will add a special tempering to it. So we'll transfer this to the serving bowl and then we'll prepare our tempering. Okay friends, so for the tempering I have taken some oil in a pan. So I'll again add in some cumin seeds. And when they start to flutter, then we'll add some, and then I'll add some curry leaves. And whole red chili, some green chili, and we'll cook these a little bit, and then I'll add the Kashmiri red chili for color. You don't need to cook them, and I just turned the heat to medium. And when everything is done, the last thing we'll add is dried fenugreek leaves. Okay, so these are ready to be, so I can add the Kashmiri red chili powder now. So I'll add about a teaspoon or maybe a little more than that. So this gives a really nice color. And I will also add in the dried fenugreek leaves, and then we'll just transfer it to the lentils that we are serving in the bowl. And this is ready to be served. So this bowl is now ready to be served. So friends, this is our dish for today, the masoor and moong lentils. I hope you liked the video. So if you liked the video, then like the video subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay friends, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.